Hello students, this is Mr. Lin recording live from Mr. Ibrahim's classroom. You can see the coffee stains on top of his roof and the pictures of his mentor group in the corner. You may be wondering why I'm recording a video when I'm standing in the room right next to you guys. And the long story short is that, as many of you guys know, I am expecting a baby coming in January and will be taking paternity leave for a couple of weeks. And so I will be missing for parts of our very next project, the biodiesel project, which means we will have a sub for this class. And I don't have any guarantees that the sub will know anything at all about chemistry. So big chunks of this next project will have to be taught probably through videos. And so just to get us used to using videos as part of our lessons, I decided to try it out for this particular project. This is both for me as a learning experience for me to learn how to create better videos for you guys, and also for you guys to learn how to learn from videos. And so I'm going to try this out for the next couple of lessons and see how it goes. All right. And so this project that we're about to enter in right now is called What's Your Number project. And this project is essentially about choosing your own research questions about the chemical makeup and composition of an object and trying to figure out how many molecules and atoms that particular object has. And so some examples might be, how many water molecules do you have inside you at this very moment? How many sugar molecules are there in a cans of different types of sodas? Or even like, how many copper and zinc atoms are there in a penny coin? Right. So just for today, we'll be choosing our investigation questions, our research questions. I'll give you the link for that later on. We'll start practicing an investigation by investigating the chemical composition of the penny coin. And lastly, we'll learn just a little bit, just like the first step in our stoichiometry learning, how to calculate numbers of molecules. So this is day one of that lecture series. If you're curious about where we're going over the next course of the next 3 weeks, where this project is going, you can check the link down below. It's got the student calendar there. But while you're doing that, I'm just going to go over the fun chemical fact for the day. Did you know that the penny coin has been around for centuries, and the chemical composition of pennies has been different throughout history? In the early 1800s, pennies used to be made of about 95% copper, right? The modern penny, which is any penny made after 1982, is now actually more 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper. Now, this is because the price of copper has increased steadily over time, and it's gotten to the point where the copper metal itself is worth way more than the penny's value. And so people were actually getting to the point where they were melting down pennies in order to try and get at the scrap metal and increase the value of their coins that way. Now, of course, the US government does not want you to destroy their coinage. And so as a way to kind of try to salvage the penny coin, they opted to use a much cheaper zinc metal, which is about half the price of copper, last I checked. And so that made for a cheaper substitute. And so what we have now in the modern penny is a zinc core that makes up most of the coin itself, and a copper coating that goes over it. And so there's only about 2.5% copper in our copper-looking coins at this point. Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed the rest of the lesson. Give me some feedback. Thanks.